In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Roblox from your Mac computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I'm going to click the Finder, and once the Finder is open, then we have to click Go, and then we have to find the applications from this menu. Here I see the applications is there. I'm going to click here. The applications window will be open. Now from here, we have to search Roblox. We can either click this search box or we can press the R key to find the application which starts with R. And here I see these applications are starting with R. Or you can click this search box and you can start typing Roblox. Once you find the application, what you need to do, you just need to right click on top of the application and it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose move to trash. So I'm going to click here and it will be removed from here. And that's it. In this way we can easily uninstall Roblox from our Mac computer.